In this legal series, I would like to talk about the Maritime Anti-Piracy Act 2022. It is a special act enacted by the central government. It was signed by the President in January 2023. The act is very important. The central government only can issue notification in consultation with the concerned chief judges of the High Court to form the Sessions Court. Because the provisions contain the offences are under the Sessions Court. Why is the urgency for the enactment of this Maritime Anti-Piracy Act? If we take the trades of the world, nearly 80 to 90% of the trade are being done via sea route. All the nation maximum use sea routes for the trades, but they have to be protected. The piracy and the piracy related militants, and they are using also their forces on the sea route and capture them and torture the people and kidnap the people. Recently, we might have seen in the newspapers, most ships are kidnapped and forfeited. So the act is needed. If we go back, our IPC has also once had been used to punish these kidnappers of the sea and also really the piracy people or the pirate. But it is also not as expected in an extent to punish the foreign nationals. So the foreign nationals maximum got escaped. So to capture them, to bring them under the law, to prevent such a shower up there as also piracy by the pirates, by the foreign nations and foreign nationals, the government enacted in consultation with or in suit with the International Convention on Maritime Anti-Piracy Treaty. Maximum countries under the UNO had the Anti-Piracy Treaty among the nations. Despite it, the Municipal Act is very important. So that's why this also central government has brought this act that is called the Maritime Anti-Piracy Act 2022. It gives the prevention of the piracy. It gives much punishment, including death also. Here in the punishment, death has been made as a mandatory, but it is a completely violation of our Constitution, Article 14 and 22. It was confirmed by the Supreme Court. Death penalty is a rectification and not a mandatory which will violate the Article 14 and 21 of our Constitution. So it is one side pending. Because the people or the pirates on the sea, they kidnap and pirate and forfeit the properties. At the same time, it is also kill the people during the piracy activities. So in order to bring down these also offences, the government has enacted. But now, beyond exclusive economic zone on the sea by our India, the act can be made applicable. The act can be made applicable even on the foreign ship if the offence is committed within the jurisdiction of the India. So, in the jurisdiction, this also has been extended by the special acts, and it is very helpful also. So one of the special feature of this act, through application of this act, the properties kidnapped and forfeited can be reclaimed. It is very significant, like a civil law. It will be very helpful also. This act is very specific act. Thank you.